Bollinger on Bollinger Bands by John Bollinger is a comprehensive guide to understanding and effectively using Bollinger Bands in technical analysis. Here's a step-by-step summary of the 12 key lessons from the book. 1. Introduction to Bollinger Bands. Explains the basic concept of Bollinger Bands, a set of 3 lines, the middle band simple moving average, and the upper and lower bands standard deviations from the average. Introduce the purpose of Bollinger Bands, to provide relative definitions of high and low prices. 2. Calculating Bollinger Bands. Details the mathematical formulas used to calculate the middle band, typically a 20-day simple moving average, and the upper and lower bands typically set 2 standard deviations away from the middle band. Explain how the bands adjust to market volatility. 3. Understanding volatility. Discuss the importance of volatility in financial markets and how Bollinger Bands reflect changes in volatility. Explains the concept of standard deviation as a measure of volatility. 4. Pattern recognition with Bollinger Bands. Introduce basic chart patterns and how they can be identified using Bollinger Bands, such as M-tops and W-bottoms. Explain how to use Bollinger Bands to confirm patterns and signal potential trading opportunities. 5. Using Bollinger Bands with indicators. Discuss how to combine Bollinger Bands with other technical indicators like relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence, and volume indicators. Provides examples of using these combinations to enhance trading signals. 6. Bollinger Band trading strategies. Introduce various trading strategies that incorporate Bollinger Bands, such as the Bollinger Band squeeze and Bollinger Band breakout. Explain how to use these strategies to identify entry and exit points in trades. 7. Bollinger Bands and trend analysis. Explore how Bollinger Bands can be used to identify trends and trend reversals. Discuss the concept of walking the bands, where prices consistently touch or exceed the bands during strong trends. 8. Bollinger Bands and relative strength. Discuss the relationship between Bollinger Bands and price relative strength. Explain how to use Bollinger Bands to gauge the strength of price movements and potential reversals. 9. Advanced Bollinger Band techniques. Introduces more advanced techniques such as using multiple Bollinger Bands, percent bandwidth, and Bollinger bandwidth indicators. Explain how these advanced techniques can provide deeper insights into market conditions. 10. Risk management with Bollinger Bands. Emphasize the importance of risk management in trading. Explain how to use Bollinger Bands to set stop-loss orders and manage trade risks. 11. Backtesting Bollinger Band strategies. Discuss the importance of backtesting trading strategies to evaluate their effectiveness. Provides guidance on how to backtest Bollinger Band strategies using historical data. 12. Integrating Bollinger Bands into a trading plan. Provides a framework for integrating Bollinger Bands into a comprehensive trading plan. Emphasize the need for discipline, continuous learning, and adaptation of strategies to changing market conditions.